Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's becoming increasingly relevant in the world of artificial intelligence: self-reflection in large language model agents, or LLMs. It's a concept that might sound complex, but I promise to break it down into something you can easily understand. So, grab your favorite drink, get comfortable, and let's explore this together. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is self-reflection in the context of LLM agents? How does it work, and why is it important? These are great questions, and they lead us to the heart of our discussion today. First, let's clarify what LLMs are. Large language models are sophisticated AI systems that can understand and generate human-like text based on the input they receive. They are used in various applications, from chatbots to content generation and even coding assistants. But what sets apart an LLM that can self-reflect from one that simply churns out responses? Self-reflection in LLMs refers to the model's ability to analyze its own outputs and learn from them. Imagine you're writing a paper and halfway through, you pause to think about whether your arguments are coherent or if you're staying on topic. You might even revise your work based on that reflection. This process enhances the quality of your final product. Similarly, when LLMs can self-reflect, they can assess the relevance, accuracy, and tone of their responses, adjusting them when necessary. Let's dig into some examples to illustrate this. Consider a scenario where an LLM is asked to write a summary of a complex scientific paper. Initially, it might produce a response that's overly technical or lacking in clarity. If the LLM has self-reflection capabilities, it could recognize that its summary doesn't match the expected comprehension level of the average reader. It could then revise its output, simplifying the language and ensuring that key points are clearly conveyed. This type of self-assessment can also enhance the model's ethical considerations. For instance, if an LLM generates content that might be biased or harmful, self-reflection enables it to evaluate the information and recognize potential issues. The model can then either refrain from sharing that content or modify its response to provide a more balanced view. Research has shown that self-reflective capabilities can significantly improve the performance of LLMs. One study demonstrated that models with self-reflection were able to reduce misinformation in their outputs by up to 30%. This is crucial, especially as we rely more on AI for information dissemination across various platforms. But how does this self-reflection work in technical terms? Well, it typically involves several components, such as reinforcement learning and feedback loops. By incorporating feedback mechanisms, LLMs can learn from past mistakes and successes. For example, if an LLM outputs a response that receives negative feedback from users, it can analyze that feedback and adjust its algorithms to avoid similar errors in the future. Another interesting aspect of self-reflection is the role of human-AI collaboration. When users interact with LLMs, they often provide implicit feedback through their reactions. If a user engages more with a particular response, that's a signal for the LLM to reflect on what made that response engaging. Over time, the model can adapt and enhance its responses based on these interactions, creating a more tailored experience for users. As we integrate self-reflective capabilities into LLMs, we're also exploring the boundaries of AI ethics and responsibility. The goal is to create systems that not only produce accurate and relevant content, but also respect the values and needs of the users they serve. In summary, self-reflection in LLM agents is a powerful mechanism that allows these AI systems to analyze and improve their outputs continuously. By assessing the relevance, accuracy, and ethical implications of their responses, LLMs can become more effective and responsible tools in our digital lives. As we continue to develop these technologies, understanding and enhancing their self-reflective abilities will be key to ensuring they meet our expectations. If you found today's exploration into self-reflection in LLMs insightful, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content on AI and technology. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this topic, so drop a comment below with any questions or ideas you have. Until next time, keep reflecting and learning both in your life and your interactions with technology. See you soon.